Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So we're kind of on location today. This is video number, 19 in the Ghost Witness series. And this, excuse me, starts the Florida portion of the Ghost Witness series. And so today is going to be the man at Green Cay. And so we are at Green Cay today, which is a big boardwalk park. See, so basically you are walking on a boardwalk and it just goes around like that. And then around over there. So this is where I was walking when I saw this particular ghost. So this was a male ghost. He was no more than about 35 years old, tall, I would say at least six feet tall, with light hair. And he was wearing a baby blue colored short sleeve t-shirt and I think jeans, and he was right there. Okay, not that first grassy area, but the second one, okay? And basically what happened was, let me turn around here so I can talk. So basically what happened, it's that area right there. And it was not a crowded day like it is today, because there's a lot of tourists here today. But so it was kind of a sparse day in terms of people. And so I was walking over there and I saw this man, and he was kind of like, sort of like looking in the water, sort of, you know, which is what everybody does here, right? Because these are the animals and things, you know. So he was kind of over the railing over there, just sort of looking. And then he just disintegrated and disappeared. So of course, like I've been talking about, right, I started walking faster. And I started walking through that area right there, that with all those trees. And I started walking faster and faster, and he was gone. Now, another time, I think it was the same man, and I saw this person crossing the street to come to Green Cay. Okay, but the street outside, where the cars drive by, you know, which is called Hagen Ranch Road. And at that time, he was wearing the same light blue t-shirt, but he had on dark green khaki shorts. But I think it was the same guy. So this would be Who's That Ghost? Video number, what is it, 4? The 4th Who's That Ghost, or the 5th? I think it's the 4th. But anyway, so somebody would know who this is, somebody who liked to come to Green Cay and would go to that grassy area, would walk around here and hang out. So that's it. These videos are not very detailed, you know. I saw somebody, they disappeared, and that's it, right? But this person, I saw him twice also. And it was a white male, light colored hair, a powder blue, like a baby blue short sleeve t-shirt, and jeans. And then when he was crossing the street, he had on green khaki shorts, crossing the street to come here, okay? And then when he was here, he was over there. So I hope you enjoyed this video on location at Green Cay. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.